She knew all about me. She knows about us.
It's all smoke. Look, they got nothing on Sam Crow, so now they're harassing people close to us. I'm sorry. You didn't say anything.
No, of course not. She mentioned Cohn, said he was MIA.
Cohn was a wanted man. He didn't show up in Chicago because he didn't want to go to jail. Probably halfway around the world by now.
Yeah, halfway.
This'll never blow back on you. That's a promise. I wouldn't let you get hurt. Okay?
This should cover the mortgage. Put a dent in some of the bills. Where are the kids?
Next door. Lena's watching them.
So I don't get a say in any of
Well, I
this.
didn't get a say in this decision, did I?
Right.
There was an ATF agent here this morning. It was a real nasty bitch. Grilled me about you, the club. Said Sam Crow was gonna tear apart my family.
I'm sorry.
I'm moving in with my mom. Gonna find a place near her where me and the kids.
Donna, just... Why did you stay?
What do you mean?
When I was inside, why the hell didn't you get out 5 years ago?
The kids were babies.
Don't put this on the kids. You knew that I was gonna go back to Sam Crow. What the hell else was I gonna do? I'm not your brother. I'm not your dad. Can't be a good old boy chucking wood from 6 to 6. I earn with the club. That's what I know. That's how I support this family. I'm doing this because of you. Because I love you and the kids. If you can't get behind that, keep packing. I'm going to see my kids.